In this lecture, we are going to see how we can access the solve button inside ANSYS mechanical software, and also how we can request different kinds of results in both of the versions of ANSYS mechanical, right? So in ANSYS 18.2, which is the older version of ANSYS mechanical software, for us to solve this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to come to the static structural group, right click on the static structural group and select solve, and once I click on solve, it is going to solve this particular problem. Likewise, if you want to solve this particular problem, you can also come to this top toolbar and you can click on solve. Once you click on solve, it will solve this particular problem. And once you solve the problem, then you need to request different kinds of results that you want. Like see here, I have requested total deformations, directional deformation, as well as the equivalent stress. Okay, fine. So in order for us to access all these options, we need to just select the solution group, and in the solution group, see here the context toolbar has changed. Now we have different kinds of results that we can request from the software. For example, deformation results, various types of strain results, various types of stress results, and in addition to all of this, there are few more results which you can request the computer to show us based on the type of analysis and type of boundary conditions we use. And in addition to that method, we can also come here to the solution group and right click on the solution group and say insert, and in the insert you can access different groups that are available in the context menu toolbar, and from here also you can select and add different kinds of results to your solution. So these are the two different ways in which you can access the solution option as well as request different kind of results from the software in the older version. Then I will switch to the newer version of the ANSYS mechanical software. So coming to the newer version of ANSYS mechanical software, here also you will just click in the solution group, and once you click on the solution group, you can access different options that are related for requesting different kinds of results from the software. So before that, I will just go to the static structural group and right click and click on solve. So once you click on solve, the software will solve this particular problem. Or otherwise, you can also access this particular solve option by going to the environment toolbar inside the context tab and click on solve. This also will solve this problem. And once we solve the problem, we'll come to the solution group, and once we come to the solution group, we'll go and select different kinds of solutions from different groups, and I can just select it so that it will be added to our solution branch. So this is how we can access the solve option as well as request different kinds of results from the ANSYS software.